Happy New Year!
Oh! Okay, 2 things before you start this vlog. 1, yes, I did get AirPods for Christmas. Do not attack me. 2, I'm sorry I never did Vlogmas. I really wanted to do it, but I'm just gonna put it out there. Jesse made me do it. And I knew that I probably wasn't going to do it, so really sorry if any of you were anticipating that. It was probably nobody. But yeah, enjoy the vlog.
Turn off the light too.
Bye, 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 bye. Doing this tonight. Probably gonna start a fight. Can't be right.
I don't know the words.
Come on.
I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, one taught me, look what I got, look what you taught me. And for that I say thank you. It's nice, nobody knows us. Get in the car like scoop, staying up, you no makeup, you in the bathtub, bubbles and bubbly. Ooh.
Oh, I love it. I'm very lost.
I like Mr. Brightside.
Oh, really? That's such an American Mr. Brightside.
Yeah.
This is like
Coming out of my cage and I'll be doing just fine. Just touching his chest now. She takes off her dress now. Let me go.
I'm so hot. Please turn up the air. I'm like, please turn up the air. I'm like, Justin, really dying. To this car.
I'm not.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Why is it so hot? Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. I took a shower. I can't
Because you had your seat on.
This is gospel for the fallen ones, locked away in permanent slumber. If you love me, let me go.
I can sing this whole song.
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the coolest system. When they come out in the club, he blazing up. Got sex on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a bill.
In the night, I hear him talk. Call the story ever told. Somewhere far along this road, he lost his soul to a woman so heartless.
I know the song. I like that song. I didn't do anything. Turn it back. Justin, no, I like that song. I used to listen to that on my iPod Shuffle.
No, where do we go? I pressed the back. I pressed the back button.
No, you're not dumb. You're smart. You're gonna be a
This is
doctor.
gospel for the fallen. Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know when it's here. Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead.
That's gonna bother.
We're getting content.
Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living. Get to buy, it's all taking, ain't no giving.
Should we go to McDonald's? Yeah, we can go to McDonald's. Sorry, I'm hungry. I didn't give the girl what she wants. She needs to.
All right. How much? $3.85. Okay, thank you.
It's leaking.
It's like peeing on
Look
me.
at that.
I'm gonna ask him for a ton of napkins.
Oh.
Okay. Oh my god!
Just roll it up.
Trying.
Oh my gosh, that is like a freaking flood. I'm suing. Oh, there goes your rice.
Oh shit! Did it open?
No. Can you imagine?
I just.
Oh my gosh, that's such a scary shot.
How many lows could Rob Lowe rob if Rob Lowe could rob Lowe?
There is.
They should really fix
It's
that.
just leaking.
Oh.
Do you need ketchup for your fries?
Nope.
Alright.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
No.
I'm stealing.
Oh, I thought you were stealing Wow, that was actually pretty good. hear the drums echoing tonight.
She's coming in 12:30.
Yes!
Her moonlight wings reflect the stars.
That's so good! That's on pitch. That's good.
He turned to me as if to say, hurry boy, it's waiting.
You sound like Kermit the Frog.
Hurry, boy.
I bless the rains down in Africa. It's gonna take some time to do the things we never had to do.
You would not believe your eyes.
Kermit!
Fireflies.
I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I got wolves calling.
You what?
Babysat what?
Babysat what?
A hamster. 3 months.
What? Don, tell the story about how you returned the bird.
A bird?
Are you taping me?
Don, this is funny. Tell the story.
Okay, so we have this bird, and it was so cute. And Gracie, what was its name? Maya. And our dogs did not like Maya, and they would bark at it all the time, you know? It was really just crazy. And one day we got home, and poor Maya was dead in the cage. We only had her cage. It was sad. And I'm like, well, I'm calling PetSmart. It was because I said, you know, we'll leave it for 2 weeks.
Return policy.
She returned a dead bird.
And they said, they took it back. He said, well, yeah, we'll take it back because it has been within the 2 weeks. I go, what could have happened? I'm sure it was our dog's. Our dogs may have had a heart attack because it barked so bad. They even took the cage back too.
That's hilarious.
Oh, poor Maya.
You're making her nervous.
That's just.
I just wanted to point out that nobody got hurt during this, and it may look like I'm in pain, but really I'm having a great time. And look at my dog. Isn't she an angel?
Come here, go. She wants so much. She's trying to fight her. Come on, we're all just gonna calmly go back. Come here, come here. She bit my tummy fat. She bit my tummy fat.
You did that intentionally.
Well, she has 2 teeth. It's not gonna hurt. Come here.
She bit you.
Yeah, I have a lot of questions.
Snuggles, come here.
So then.
Come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. I forgive you.
Don't do that, Mark.
I forgive her.
Yeah, but you're enticing her to do it. See, she does like it.
She likes you.
She likes calm folks.
She likes town folks.
No, calm folks.
Your hearing goes when you get older too.
What? What is that? Oh my god.
Is that Snuggles' tooth?
I just found Snuggles' tooth. What? Nobody moves. That's Snuggles' tooth. That's her tooth. That's Snuggles' tooth. Stop! Don't touch it.
That is not her tooth.
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh. I am flipping grossed out.
Ew.
She lost her tooth.
Ew, 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 ew. Let me see it, let me see it. Snuggles, we have to take you to the dentist. Oh my gosh. She lost a tooth. You see that? That's her tooth.
Wow.
Here we are.
Okay, you have 4 answers on the board to this question. What type of pie do you think would be Woody from Toy Story favorite? Stoy toys.
I
I'm sorry.
that would be.
What kind of pie would be Woody's favorite?
I believe that would be definitely apple pie.
That's the #1 answer.
Are you gonna play or pass?
I was gonna tell you that.
Play.
They're gonna play, folks. They're gonna play.
Did you just slap your wife's butt?
Yeah, baby. What type of pie would Woody be? That's #2.
Woo! Yay!
Two left. Kate.
Cherry.
Bing.
Woo! Yes!
Pie.
There's one left.
Pumpkin pie.
Okay. Blueberry.
Bing, 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 bing.
Good job, team. Good job.
Now Kate's done.
Doing it right.
All right.
Here we go. What's the question?
There are 7 answers on the board. This one.
7.
Name a sport where Mr. Incredible's superpowers would come in handy.
Wrestling.
She picked it up first. Kate, wrestling, she says.
Oh, that's a
Ball.
Bing!
What?
That's #2.
basketball.
I'm sorry, I'm just going. Don't kill me. Wait. So you're playing or passing?
We're playing.
They're gonna play, folks.
All right.
Red team, you guys discuss. All right.
Baseball.
Read the question one more time.
What's name a sport where Mr. Incredible's superpowers would come in handy?
Baseball. Yes.
Bing! That is there. #6.
Baseball.
Oh, he said soccer.
Strike.
What?
Track.
Bing!
Let me think.
Ooh, Snuggles.
What'd you name it?
Nice of you to join the party.
Oh yeah, Tavian can go.
Oh, you want to go against my dad?
Yeah, sure. Can I try to intimidate him?
Name a sport.
Intimidation.
You know my dad's a black belt.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
He looks like he's in the dojo.
The dojo. Dad, you're a black belt, are you not?
I sense it.
All right. There are 7 answers on the board for this one. If you were a time traveler in Meet the Robinsons and met a future version of yourself, what is the first question you would ask?
Oh.
Am I married?
Wait a minute, that might be there.
You need help? Oh, what?
Can't see very well.
When do I perish?
When do you perish? You're already alive. How would you know that in the future?
Is this the future or the past?
Too late. You already asked that question.
I gotta go again?
Now it goes to Grace.
Me? Am I well? That's a good question.
That's right. How are you?
Oh, okay. Good job.
If you were a time traveler, meet your Robinsons, met your future version of yourself, what would be the first question you'd ask yourself?
What's my job?
That sounds good.
What?
No.
Wait, so do we have 2 X's or 1?
That's 1. I forgot your name. Kate.
Yes.
What would you ask yourself in the future?
Do I have success?
No.
What? Ah.
Hey, what's your goal? What's your goal?
Ah.
Oh, we're going stories?
No, I've been doing it for
You put me on your story. I don't do the story.
Oh, shoot.
What time is it? Someone hold.
It's 11:59 p.m. in Chicago.
Somebody give me a popper thing.
You have a popper!
Where? Lower.
Oh, I gave you one, that's the one.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Wait, who is the clock? What time is it? Oh.
We got approximately 23 seconds. Look, see the little clock app, the second thing moves.
Well, get it in the center. Come on, everyone.
Oh, we're getting the shot right now?
I hope it gets it. Watch, it's gonna cut off right at the freaking moment.
No, it's not.
Oh, I stopped it. I stopped it. Now I got time to save it.
Guess you get it. Start record.
Right here. It's real smoky. What kind of get